Okay, John, so I'm going to show you what I did to address the logger from HD35, which gives you quite a nice software to work with. It comes up like so. Once it finishes loading, we're going to go type of connection, and we want to change it. That's for the IP address for our current logger. Your one has been assigned 192.168.63.48. So I put that in, and if I go connect, given a little bit of time, that will connect to your HD50 logger. Waiting, well, there we go. So we've got the RH and temperature, and then the calculated dew points and absolute humidity, etc. If I want to download the data manually, normally you would, if you were running this software, normally you'd use the background data download, so it's always downloading to the database on your PC, but I'm going to do it manually, download from access point. So I'm going to go from the 31st of August till let's say the 2nd. I assume it was still running then. So if I go execute, data download started shows there, and eventually you'll see numbers flashing across the page like so. Oh, I've gone from the 31 of the 7th. That makes no sense. Anyway, it's downloading the data. And you'll see some of the reports and things you can view. HD35 is not bad software. It's free. It's a little bit of a pain to install. You do need to have admin rights to install it, and the very first time you run it. But after that, it can be run as a normal user. Stalling for time, stalling for time. And if you decide to install that, I'll go through some instructions with you. In fact, I've made a video on that already. Maybe I'll pause the video for a moment while that's coming down, otherwise it's going to be a bit boring for you. I'll give it 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. How do I stop the pause? Unpause it. Well, that's helpful. Okay, so pausing didn't work, so I had to stop it and come back in. So it's come up and said data download finished. So I'm going to exit that. Now, if you go up to things like view data, now I've got a whole heap of different units hooked up to this logging system. So I'm going to select your one and expand it over there. And I'm going to select the dates of the 31st of August to view the data. And I'm going to go doof. And there we go. We can see the data that's been saved on your logger. 1st of September through now. So, as I say, it seems to be working okay at this end. So I'm thinking there's got to be something in the network there.